Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change our age for our Webtoon account. Now let's begin. Well, do note that there is no exact way to change it, but what you can do is simply submit a request to the Webtoon. At the bottom right, you can see a button like this called as More. Click on it. Once you do that, now what we need to do is simply go to Settings. Right next to Search, you can see this button called as Settings. Click on it. And as such, you will be redirected to this page. From here, simply scroll down to the very bottom till you see the About section. And right here, just below Notice, you can see a button like this called as Help. Click on it. Now guys, this right here is the Help section. Now from here, once again, scroll to the very bottom. As you guys can see, I'm doing it right now. And at the bottom footer, you can see this button called as Submit a Request. Click on it. Now this is it guys. From here, simply click on this drop down and let's select Other, because right now we want to change our age. Simply click on it. Now what you guys need to do is simply enter your email address right here, and once you've done that, just enter the subject, that is, I want to change my age, and finally enter the description. Once you've done that, simply select the OS right here. It can be the iOS app, Android app, or web browser. It's up to you. And do note that you can also add attachments, though it is optional. And once everything's okay, simply hit on Submit. Once you've done that, the Webtoon support will contact you, and as such, you can change your age. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.